Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power off or power on the Edifier True Wireless Sound 330. Okay, so normally you can just power them off when you put them to the case, just like that. That's very obvious, you probably know that. When you put that to the case and close the case, they will be turned off. As you can see, they disappear. But there's also another method how we can make it. For example, if this method is not working for you, let me just reconnect and I will show you right now. You have to tap on the right upper corner in the settings and the application and select power off. Click to confirm, and right now our device is turned off. As you can see, that's very simple. If you don't know how to add your Edifier to the application, just watch tutorial on our YouTube channel. And to power them on, you have to just basically put it back to the case and take it off. Okay, looks like it's not working. So the Bluetooth is connected, so I guess we have to just close the case one more time, click on the back button, and I think that right now they will work. Wait for a while. Yeah, as you can see right now they are working. So that's how we can power on and power off manually Edifier True Wireless Sound 330. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.